And P3, Carlos, nice job. Well managed. How bizarre.
Vamos! Well managed, guys. Probably the toughest scenario that we could face. We did it perfect. Vamos!
Start button on. Yeah, it was a team effort there. You picked up the right calls. Good job.
Yeah, no, definitely. Thank you, guys. Perfect job.
Hamilton won the race, then 53 seconds behind Verstappen. And then you 9 seconds behind Verstappen, Ricciardo 3 seconds, then Bottas, Alonso, Norris, Kimi P8, then Perez P9, Russell P10, and Charles P15. He stayed out with dries.
Yeah, I saw that. It didn't pay off, but he was doing a good race, I think, so good job.
Go.
Yeah, I'm here.
P3.
Come.
And P1 and then P0 when you're ready. And enjoy the podium.